Good morning, students. Now we will begin from the social life. So, there were probably different social groups in Harappan society. Political and social institution had become more complex by this time. It was no longer a society where everyone was equal. There were differences in power, prestige, and wealth. So, it is estimated by the historians that by the time of in the Harappan society, it has a different social group. The political and social institution they became more complex, and the society was divided into different groups on the basis of power, prestige, and wealth. Now, at the top of the Harappan society were people who planned the construction of the monumental buildings in the city. They were probably rulers. So at the top of the society, there were the people who were planning or who planned the construction of the monuments or the building, and probably they were said to be the rulers. Now, then there were some people, scribes, who knew how to write on seal. So after that there were some people who were called scribes and who knew how to write on the seals. Now then there were also skilled merchants and traders of some kind of religious specialities, specialists. So and some of the people were skilled merchant and trader and some kind of the religious specialists. Now, clothes, ornaments, and other article of everyday use. So people wore cotton and woolen clothes. The men wear something similar. Man wore something similar to dhoti, and the women wore a skirt. Many ornaments have been found, which prove that Harappans were fond of wearing jewelry. Ornaments were made of gold, silver, copper, bronze, ivory, shells, terracotta, and several type of beads. So the people wore the cloths that were made of cotton and woolen. The men used to wear something which were of the clothes which was similar to the dhoti, and women used to wear the skirts. Now the ornaments were very famous by this time, and the Harappan people were very fond of wearing the ornaments. Normally the ornaments were made of gold, silver, copper, bronze, ivory, shells, terracotta, and several types of beads. Now, earthenware utensils and pots beside terracotta and metal stone figure have been discovered at Harappa. So earthen utensils means the clothes, means the utensils made of soil, and pots besides terracotta and metal stones figures have been discovered in Harappa. Now, the dancing girl bronze figure from Mohenjo-daro is most famous one. The statue of the priest king is another popular figure. So the dancing girl bronze figure found at the Mohenjo-daro is one of the famous, and also the statue of priest is the important figure. Now, occupation. The fertile soil of this region was used for growing different crops. The Indus farmers and herders supplied food to craftspersons, scribes, and the rulers living in cities. They grew wheat, barley, gram, peas, maize, mustard, and millets. They were probably the first to grow cotton in India. They used plough and sickle and different methods of irrigation. Furrow marks made by a plough have been found at Kalibanga. Pottery making was important occupation. So the fertile land at this region it encouraged the farming, and the farmers supplied the foods to the craftsmen, scribes, or the rulers in living in the city. Normally they grew wheat, barley, gram, pea, maize, mustard, and millets. So probably it is said that they were the first one to grow the cotton in India. Further, they used plow and sickle and the different methods of irrigation. Furrow marks made by the plow have been found at Kalibangan. Now, pottery making was also an important occupation. Harappan pottery was red in color with geometrical or floral design in black. Pots were made with fine clay and were then glazed and decorated. Now, the pottery in the Harappan culture were made up of red color and they had geometrical or floral design at its back. The pots were made with fine clay and were then glazed and decorated. Now, the toys such as cart, figures of animals, marbles, dolls, whistles have been found. So the toys have also been found here, like carts, figures of animals, marbles, dolls, and whistles. Now, men and women also played the game similar to the modern game of chess. Dice have also been discovered. So men and women used to play the similar game like chess and dice have also been found there. Now, in addition to farmers, weavers, toy makers, and jewelers, there were potters, metal workers, and traders. So, in addition to farmers, weavers, toy makers, and jewelers, there were potters, metal workers, and traders also. Now, skilled metal workers produced tools and implements in copper and bronze, such as spear, knives, arrowhead, axes, and razors. So the skilled metal workers, they made the tools and the implements that were of copper, bronze, such as spears, knife, arrowhead, axes, and razors. Now, tomorrow we will begin from the Harappan trades. Thank you.